Hello everyone, welcome to Everest Online Academy. आज चाहिँ हामी क्लास 12 को प्रिन्सिपल्स अफ अकाउन्टिङ को इन्भेन्ट्री म्यानेजमेन्ट टपिक को 2076 GIE सेट बी क्वेशन नंबर 19 सल्भ गर्न गइरहेका छौं. So as per the question, minimum reorder period 5 days दिएको छ, maximum reorder period 7 days, minimum consumption 400 units, maximum consumption 800 units र reordering label चाहिँ 4000 units दिएको छ. र हजुरहरुलाई reordering label को फर्मुला थाहा होला. Reordering label is equals to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. As per the question, maximum consumption चाहिँ 800 units दिएको छ र maximum reorder period 7. So 800 into 7 is equals to 5600 units. And now minimum stock level is equals to reordering label minus average consumption into average reorder period. Average consumption भनेको minimum plus maximum consumption upon 2 is equals to 800 plus 400 divided by 2, 600 units आउँछ. र average reorder period is equals to minimum plus maximum reordering point upon 2, that is 5 plus 7 upon 2 is equals to 6 days आउँछ. So हामी चाहिँ यो भ्यालु माथिको फर्मुलामा राख्छौं. Reordering label as per the question it is 5600 minus 600 into 6. Average consumption into reordering point is 6. So 5600 minus 3600 is equals to 2000 units हाम्रो minimum stock level आउँछ. So thank you.